Okay, hi, good morning everyone. Good afternoon, good evening for wherever you're watching from. I welcome you to my YouTube channel. So I just want to say welcome. I know I haven't been that consistent because I have other things I do too, but you know, I'm trying to be consistent actually because this is where my happiness lies actually. I know it's been a while and I'm trying to make sure that I become consistent with my channel. So I welcome you back, guys. So welcome. So this morning I just wanted to show you about things that I've changed about my skincare. You guys know that this channel is all about skincare and lifestyle and everything about that. So I have made changes with my skincare for actually a long time now. Not really that long, like about 3 months ago. I wanted to do the unboxing of this makeup, but I did not have a chance. So I feel like, okay, maybe I can use it and come back and show you guys what each does and what it does not. Alright guys, so let's get started. So if you notice this, if you notice there's a big trend there's a big trend in skincare right now, skincare production right now, you know that. So it's fast. It's as if almost every day that we have new stuff about skincare, we have new skincare, we have new brands of new skincare. So as so things changes. So you guys know that I am a fan of Paula's Choice. I've used Paula's Choice a lot more. I love Paula's Choice and I use them. So this time I decided to change my skincare. You know that skincare are very expensive right now, so I just kind of have mixed up affordables and expensive skincare together. So you know, when I stay using the skincare because it's affordable, I feel that it's not going to work. I feel that, oh, I've made a mistake. After 2 weeks I use the skincare, to not see any visible sign of change. So I thought like, wow, I have made a mistake, and that's what we are here. So you guys know that I have used Rexinol in the past. In this skincare I don't have any anti-aging. I'm not even currently any anti-aging. I've actually used anti-aging in the past. I have used Rexinol, and one of the things I realized about this Rexinol is it's kind of thin my face, kind of thin my skin, and you know, it makes it, you know how crepe skin are. It doesn't make it like crepe skin, but my skin doesn't really look crepe. But just, you know, the texture of a crepe skin, even though you just get that texture of the crepe skin, and when you touch the crepe skin, it looks so thin. It's like that's what it does to my face. So I have to eliminate retinol, any anti-aging that contains retinol. I actually use so I love this skincare so much. Like I told you guys, initially when I started using it, I thought it's not gonna work. I thought it's not gonna, you know, it did not show me sign that it's gonna work, but I did not give up. I keep on using them, and you know, the results is amazing, and I love them. So I'm gonna show you the skincares, and so let's get started. So guys, okay, for the skincare I purchased this, the Paula's Choice 2% BHA exfoliants. Okay, I'm still using this, and everyone knows that this is the bomb. I'm still using this, and I don't think I can get rid of this. You know, it's amazing. It works. It exfoliates the face. It does like a magic. I love it. Okay, the next skincare. Okay, this is the only skincare I purchased out of all the Paula's Choices that I used. So this is the only one I purchased. I went for this actually. Okay, so guys, so let's talk about the second skincare that I love so much, and it's this skincare. This is Timeless. Everyone knows the skincare, and I am gonna repurchase this. You know, the last time I used was that's Paula's Choice vitamin C, and this summer, you know that it's very expensive, so I decided to go with this Timeless skincare. You know, this is 20% vitamin C. This is 20% vitamin C and 10% vitamin E. 1% vitamin E. So guys, so this is one of the things I purchased. This is a Korean skincare brand, and I won't lie, this is quite amazing. When I purchased this, you know, I tried to use it and I thought it wasn't working, you know, until I found the right way to use the skincare, and I loved it so much. And you know, I usually use this in the morning. It's like when I wake up to, you know, to do my you know, I wake up in the morning, especially when I want to go for a run. I just wash my skin and put this on my skin, and oh my god, it just moisturizes the skin, and moisturizes the skin so much, you know, it makes the skin look as if it's quite so elastic. I love this so much. So like I said, let's read what it's with. This is revealed serum. It contains ginseng and snail motion. This is ginseng and snail motion. Is for a dry skin. Okay, it's made with ginseng, red ginseng. Okay, they said it's made with red ginseng and a panax. I don't know what panax means, and ginseng seed oil, you know. So it made with red ginseng seed oil and panax. Okay, it helps to add elasticity to the skin. Like I told you, I noticed it. Help to add elasticity to the skin. Like if you have a loose skin, you will love this. You know, I told you earlier that when I used retinol earlier in my skin, my other before I purchased this, I told you earlier when I used retinol, it sort of made my skin to be thin, you know, be thin. Like when you touch my skin, anytime I touch my skin this way, I don't feel this, what I just feel now. I don't feel this elasticity. You know, when I touch my skin, you can see I'm not touching it like, I don't know how to explain this to you guys. Usually when I touch my skin, it looks so thin. It looks like it's just nothing other than skin. There's nothing inside. Like, you know, I realized that's what retinol does. You know, usually I use this retinol. I realized that's what retinol does. I read about it. I realized that's what retinol does. So I stopped using the retinol. Then when I purchased the skin, that's when I started noticing that my skin is no longer thin, and and then I was able to build up this elasticity in my skin. This does it so well. So, you know, when you use the skincare with other skincare, you don't really see what it does until you use it alone. If you use the skincare alone, oh my god, you will be like, what is this? You will neglect it when you use it with other regime. You will neglect it because you don't know what it is. I told myself I'm not going to purchase this. I told myself I'm not going to purchase this anymore. But until I used it alone, oh my god, I was like, wow. You know, I was getting up to run early in the morning. I just washed my face. I don't know what to use, but I don't want to put something heavy on my skin. I just want to put something like, immediately I grabbed this, put it on my skin. By the time I finished running, I come back home, oh my god, I was like, what is this skincare? I lifted it up and I was like, what is this? This is beautiful. It's beautiful. I don't like to use just the kind of what made my skin the way my skin is. You know, if you have a loose skin, go for this. Go for this. I don't know if it happens to everyone, thin skin, retinol, but it does happen to me, and I found it. But since I started using this new regimen, I told you I removed retinol from my skin. I have never added retinol to my skin, and I add other skin nutrient to my skin that's not retinol. Like I add other skin retinol that's not, that is not this. Like I use BHAs, I use skincare with treatments. I no longer use like skincare like that. I make sure that the skincare I'm using has some treatments in it, and that's how I use it. So I love this. I give it thumbs up. I thought I was not going to purchase this again, but I have changed my mind after using this alone. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. You know, sometimes when you do this work, you don't see it because I'm using it with others. You don't see it, but until you use it alone, then you see what it does. I did not know that this was what is giving my skin elasticity after my skin became skin on when I was using this. I did not know it was it, but then until I used it alone, I love this. If you don't have it, put it on your skincare. I'm not lying. And besides, this skincare was not given to me or start off. I bought it myself and I'm doing it myself, so I'm not doing it to favor anyone or something like that. It's just what I use, and I'll tell you guys. And besides, like I told you guys, I bought it myself. So the next thing I'm gonna talk about is this is a serum, and it doesn't really, it's not running like the other one. So you get it from here. It comes with this, you know. Then you take the amount of what you want and dispense on the skin. Okay, like this. Dispense on the skin. You cover it immediately. Then you see, it looks like water is not water. Okay, that's how you feel on the skin. That's how you feel on the skin. It's very hydrating. Very hydrating. So I've talked about this. I've talked about Timeless. Okay, I did not show you guys Timeless. Dynasty cream. This is a moisturizer. That is moisturizer. I use it with other moisturizers, but that's the one I used to use. But this, I added to my moisturizer. And if you have hyaluronic acid, you put this with it. It just looks amazing. I'm using Vichy hyaluronic acid. You know, this combined with this skin, but combined with this, you don't need any other moisturizer. Moisturize the skin, and you know, I love the Vichy moisturizer. So just like a moisturizer, it's lighter a bit, it's runny. Then we get it. This is how it looks. It's a bit creamy, but not that way too runny. So that's definitely it. You know, I would say that this is the least this is the least thing I don't like about the skincare. This one, this one. You can't use the skincare alone. I don't use it alone. If you use it alone, it's not that moisturizing, but I don't use it alone. It's the Dynasty cream. It's still the same Korean brand, but most times I don't use it alone. It doesn't really moisturize the skin if you don't combine it with hyaluronic acid. So you know, that's the only thing I don't like about this. So if you're gonna use the skincare, you have to, it's not like it doesn't moisturize, but it doesn't moisturize, it doesn't hold it for a long time. And it doesn't hold it for a long time. It moisturizes, but it doesn't hold the moisture in for a long time. So before you know it, your skin is drier, and but it feels good on the skin. But if you're gonna use this, I would say don't use it alone. Combine with hyaluronic acid if you want your skin to hold moisture for a very long time. So, and this is what I you know, when I use this, it feels like it's a toner. You know, it feels like a toner. This is beautiful. It is beautiful. You know, that one of the interesting things I love about the skincare that I bought, not just that they are affordable, they works out, I see the results. You know, not just that they are very affordable, but I see the result, and I love this one so much. So of course, this batch of skincare, I'm repurchasing the skincare. I'm not gonna start. I love them. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell button so that you'll be notified when I hit the bell button so that you will notify when I upload the video. And not just that, I hope you find this tutorial very helpful. Let me know if you have used the skincare in this comment section box, and let me know how you feel about it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you for tuning in today. Thank you for subscribing. It's time, and bye. And I want to tell you guys, I'm gonna be consistent. I'm gonna upload video at least 3 times in a week. So check out them, watch them, and take care. Bye bye. Be blessed. If there's no